Bino byonna byogeddwa minisita avunaanyizibwa okulungamya eggwanga Judith Nabakooba ng'era ategeezezza nti ebitongole ebyali byatwala abantu bano byali tebirina nsimbi zimala.
Employees who transferred services to the successor companies were given pension certificates to claim their pension from the staff pension scheme, which is called the Uganda Communications Employees Contributory Pension Scheme, UCEPS. Unfortunately, due to cash flow constraints, the money to pay such pension was not available.
Onera ategeezezza nti afisi y'omubalirizi wa gavumenti yamaze dda okuyita abantu bonna abakolerako mu kitongole kya Posta okusobola okusunsulwa basobola okusasulwa ensimbi zaabwe.
It is for the above reasons that Posta Uganda brought the matter to the attention of the Minister of ICT and National Guidance, seeking a solution to the problem. The ministry presented the matter to Cabinet, and this morning I'm glad to inform Ugandans that this matter has been approved for payment by the Cabinet of Uganda. I wish therefore to emphasize the following. The Auditor General has issued notices inviting all former employees of UPTC to come to the nearest post office for verification.
Minisita agenze maaso n'asaba abantu bonna abalina be bamanyi abali bakoleddeko mu kitongole kya Posta okubayambako okusobola okufuna abantu bano basobola okufuna ensimbi zaabwe.
Some of the pensioners are deceased, while others may be incapacitated and cannot travel. I urge the next of kin, all surviving family members who are eligible, to help and get the verification done. I also urge members of the public to inform any known former employee of UPTC about the verification exercise.
Ye James Alinaitwe nga yesenkulu w'ekitongole kya Posta ategeezezza nti basanyufu nnyo okulaba nga abali abakozi baabwe bagenda kusasulwa ensimbi zaabwe.
We are very grateful this morning to be announcing that our former pensioners are going to get paid, and our gratitude in no uncertain term goes to the Honorable Minister of ICT and National Guidance for leading this noble cause, and through her, Honorable Minister, government for coming to our rescue.
Edith Nabagereka, STV Select, Eyenjawulo.